Had a bit of a visitor this morning. My little buddy's coming to visit me. What are you doing, mate? Are you? Haven't seen you for a while. He brought his girlfriend with him, but she bugged out. Oh, now she's just come back. What are you doing, darling? Hmm? Are you looking for seeds? Are they good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you finish those ones and I'll get some for your girlfriend. Here you go, darling. Oh. She's not nearly as tame as what he is. Come and get your seeds. Good girl. Yeah, they haven't been coming around as much since we got chickens. I think the chickens scare them a bit. Come on, get your seeds. Hey? Come on. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks, guys.